So guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest desserts that I make at home and serve to my guests and even for my own family. It's very healthy, very light and very refreshing and absolutely delicious. So do give it a try. So I make it for my guests even when I have a lot of people over. I put them in paper bowls like this and serve them because it's so easy to assemble. You just need these 3 ingredients and that's it. So guys, for the best mango dessert, you have to start with the best mangoes. So in the US, I find that the Kent mangoes are really yummy. And then there's one called Haden, which I don't have here. And these are the Manilla mangoes, the Philippine mangoes that are also quite nice. Make sure they're nicely washed and then peel them. Like this is how I do it. And then you want to cut them up into nice bite-sized pieces. And I think these pieces would be about 1/2 inch, and you probably have your own way of cutting, but this is how I do it. Just cut them out like this, or here is another way you could cut it up. Something like this. This is all you need. It's just got 3 ingredients: lassi, mango smoothie, that is, a nice vanilla bean ice cream, and cut mangoes. Now this lassi is easy to buy at Whole Foods. Now lassi is a mango yogurt Indian smoothie, and this is made from Alfonso mangoes. And here I have a Strauss organic ice cream because that's our local ice cream, really delicious. And then of course the mangoes. So all you have to do is just assemble these 3 ingredients. So put in a nice little white bowl that you may have, you can put 1 layer of mangoes and then put a little bit of vanilla ice cream of your choice, and then just pour a little bit of the mango lassi. Now, if you don't have a mango lassi, good one you can buy. You can use any brand actually. But if you don't have it, do check out my video on how to make it. And then garnish with a little bit of mint from your garden. I mean, summer, it grows abundantly everywhere. And there you have it. The most elegant, refreshing, yummy dessert that you could have in the summer. So I used to have mangoes and ice cream. I've come across that combination, but what sets this apart is that yogurt, when you add the yogurt, the mango lassi to it, it just brings it all together and makes it such an elegant dessert.
So yummy, so refreshing, delicious.
No, but seriously, give it a try. You will love it. Enjoy it this summer.